Today we're here at Swinnerton Cycles in Stoke-on-Trent and we're going to get my bike ready for some wet weather riding. Check your brake pad wear and your rotor wear. Check your chain wear, make sure it's cleaned and make sure it's lubed. When it rains, a lot of debris gets washed onto the roads, so if you're running tubeless, check your tubeless sealant, and if you're topping it up, top it up at an angle so none of the sealant comes out. Get yourself some mud guards or fenders on your bike. You can get clip-on mud guards, some bikes have mounts already on them. This is a really good way to protect yourself from getting covered in debris and mud, and also to make your components last longer on the bike. Lastly, tip number 5, if the conditions really are that bad,
Definitely been a bit wet.
just jump on your turbo trainer and do a session indoors.